How to create a SoundCloud account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the SoundCloud app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download and install it from Play Store or App Store. Once this app has been opened, here it says create an account, or the second button is I already have an account. Tap on the second one if you already have an account, but if you want to create a new account, tap on create an account. Now here you have the option to continue with Facebook, Google or Apple. If you want to link your SoundCloud account with any of these applications, tap on it. If you don't, then tap on your email option and then enter your email address. Once that is done, tap on continue. Now enter a password. Then tap on continue. Now you need to fill up some more details about yourself, such as your age, then your gender. Now tap on continue. And now after following all these processes, your account has been created. Now the only thing left to do is verifying your email address. For that, check your email that you have entered here, and you're going to find an email such as this that says thank you for signing to SoundCloud. Now all you have to do is tap on confirm your email by clicking here option, and once you do, your email is going to be verified. And this is how you can create your SoundCloud account, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.